हेलो एभ्रीबडी म यो भिडियोमा लिङ्क लिस्टको बारेमा कुरा गर्न गइराखेको छु। लिङ्क लिस्ट इज अ लिनियर डेटा स्ट्रक्चर. Data in linked list is stored in nodes. A node has at least two parts, data field and address field. र एउटा लिनियर लिङ्क लिस्ट भनेको चाहिँ कस्तो हुन्छ भन्दाखेरि नोडहरुको कलेक्सन, ओके, चेन अफ द नोड्स. हरेक नोडको दुईवटा पार्ट हुन्छ एटलिस्ट. हामी अब यहाँ सिंगली लिङ्क लिस्टको कुरा गरिराखेको छौँ. सो each node has only two parts, okay. One is the data part, another is the address part, okay. Suppose this is the first node, or we can call it as the head also. Now this is the, okay, this is the data part, this is the next, where we will be assigning address of another node. We will store address of this node here, okay. We will store address of this node here, we will store address of this node here. Data type of this next is node, okay. So we can assign only node to this next because we cannot change the data type here, okay. So simple. Now let's see how to create or how to insert node within the linked list, okay. Now this is the simple node I have already defined. This is the data part, this is the next address part, and it's the constructor where we are assigning the information or data part. Simple one. Now let's see how to insert the node. Now let's create some nodes, okay. Node head, initially there is nothing, so we'll assign null, then temp, then move, okay. Now let's create one temp node. Temp is equal to new node, then let's give value 20 here, okay. Suppose this is 20, 15, 30, 33, okay, fine. This is 20 here. Now let's create. Initially there is nothing, so we'll check if head is equal to null. Then what we do is we'll assign this temp to the head, and we'll also assign this move. This temp will be assigned to move, okay. So what it does, it initially, this is the first node, okay, we are having 20. This is temp. As you assign temp to the head will also point this one, move will also point this one, okay. This will move. All three objects are pointing to same memory location, okay. Now let's suppose we are having another node. Let's create another node with the value 15. Suppose 15 is here. Now initially head was null. After assigning one node, head will not be null, so we have to write else. Then what we do is we will write move dot next is equal to temp. Simple. Then what we do, we'll assign temp to move. Now what this does is, okay, now we created temp. Now this temp is overwritten. We have created another node. So this is the new node, and we have given value 15 here, okay. This is the 15 value here. Now we are assigning move dot next. We are assigning temp to the move dot next. Move is this one, so this temp will be assigned here, okay. Here temp will be assigned, so the connection between the first and second node will be created. And what we did in the another step is we are assigning temp to the move. That means this move will now point to this node, okay. Move. Simple. Now let's suppose we are having another node. Let's suppose it is 30 IO. Now what will happen? It is not null, so we will be taken to the else part. We are assigning temp to the move of next. Now our move is this one, so this is our new node with the value 30. Now this temp is assigned to next of move, so this will be assigned here. That means the connection between this node and this node will be created, and we are assigning temp to the move, so move will move here, okay. So now this will become move. Now let's take one more value, that is 33. Now 33. Now again, this is false. We are taken to the else part. move dot next equal to temp. So this is the 33. Now this move of next is, now we are assigning temp to the move of next. So this will be assigned here. The connection between this node and this node will be created, and we are assigning temp to the move. So move will come here. Okay. So in this way we can create linear linked list. This is a very, very simple logic. Just you have to remember few lines. It is very easy to remember. Okay. So in this way we can create linear linked list. Now if you want to display the content of linear links, how to display? Now let's see. Okay. Displaying contents for that we will be using for loop. Okay, let's create a one node temp. Now for temp is equal to head. In the previous code you can see I have not changed head anywhere. Okay, I have not done anything with the head here. You can see I have left head. Once head is assigned here, then nothing is done to the head. We are not supposed to change the reference of head except in one place, because we have to keep track of first node. If we lost track of this first node, then we lost the linked list. Okay, so always remember to keep track of this first node. Never assign other values to the head. Okay, it is compulsory. So we are having the head as the first node. Okay, now we are assigning head to the temp. Then temp not is equal to null. Then temp is equal to temp of next. Simple. Then we will be writing system dot out dot println, okay, data, then plus temp dot data. Simple. Okay, so in this way we can display the content of linear linked list. What is happening here is initially we are assigning head to the temp, so this temp will point to the head. Okay, now erase these things for now. Now first head is made temp. Okay, this is temp. So temp is not null. We are having a valid reference, so it will print the value 20. Then temp is equal to temp of next. Temp of next is this part, and this part is containing reference of this node. So temp will move here. Now this will become temp. Okay, temp. Now it will display the content of this node, that is 15. Okay, that is 15. Then again this temp will not be null. Temp will be assigned temp of next. Temp of next is this one, and this is containing address of this one. So this will become temp. So this temp is not null, this is not null, so we will take it inside the body of for loop. So it will display the content 30. Then temp will be assigned temp of next. This temp of next is this, and this is containing reference of this node. Reference of address, same thing. So temp will become this. Okay, so it will display 33. Now temp will be temp of next. Now here we are having null. We can see within the definition, in the definition next we are assigning null. So here we are not having reference to any other node, but there is null. So what happens? This condition evaluates to true. If false, this condition becomes false. Temp not equal to null, that is null. So this will be false, will be out of the loop. Loop will be terminated. So in this way we can display the content of linear linked list. Okay, now let's suppose we want to insert new node before the head. Okay, simple one. Let's see how to do this. Now let's delete this. Inserting new node before head or beginning, we can see this. Now for this we will be creating a node. Suppose n1 is equal to new node, and we will be passing value 100. Now what we have to do is, now we have to insert 100 before this 20. Okay, so what we do here is simply n dot next is equal to head. We'll assign the reference of head to the next of n1. So what will happen here is, this is n1, it is having 100. We are assigning the reference of head to the next of n1. So this will contain reference of this node. Okay, this will contain reference of this node. Now what we have to do, we have to make this node head. So we will do head is equal to n1, simple. Okay, now this pointer will point to this one. So in this way we can insert a node before the head, or we can insert a node at the beginning of the linked list. So this is a very simple code. Okay, so in this way we can create the linear linked list, display the content of linked list, and insert the new node at the beginning of the linked list. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much.